What really helped me in the past years is to have my main writing tools. I have a Muji pencil and a Pentel pen and a highlighter and a ruler and eraser and pencil and also a calligraphy pen. Just the basic things you need for your own supplies. You can do whatever you want and choose whatever you need because it's what you feel most comfortable with. Another important thing is to have a note-taking method. There are many to choose from. The most common ones are the outline method and the Cornell method. The outline method is by first putting the main topic on top, later putting a subtopic afterwards, and then a thought or supporting fact underneath. The second method is the Cornell method, which is much more prettier but requires much more preparation and work to do. The first thing is to add a title on the front center, then on the date on the top right corner, and then make a line in the left side of the paper, and then a line underneath the title. In the main body of the paper, it's where the main text goes, and on the side comes the keywords or questions that you may have about the topic. And on the bottom, you do another line with your ruler, and underneath that, in that box, you write a summary or anything that's important that you learned from that topic. The third tip is to always have 2 notebooks for every subject. One for the class notes. It can be messy, just take in as much notes as you can. And the other, it can be rewritten notes from your class that is neat and clean. Tip 4 is to constantly review your notes and edit them, review them within 24 hours of writing them, which increases your learning capacity and makes you memorize and understand the subject more.